Hey, good Friday to you, meteorologist Ty Clausen. I want to talk about the storm system that's going to be heading our way Saturday night and then throughout the day on Sunday. It's going to be a really tough forecast for us across most of the area, and that's because there's going to be a transition over to rain. When that happens and where it happens are the two big question marks. What we do know is the heaviest snowfall is going to be the further north you are across the state of Indiana. Through the central portion of the state, there's going to be mixing that takes place, and that's going to make it tough to measure snow because you could get 1 to 2 inches of snow pretty quickly, and then it changes over to rain, and by the time you wake up Sunday morning, the snow is basically all gone, and then wind gusts are going to be up to about 30 miles per hour with this storm system, and that's for just about everybody. The National Weather Service has issued a winter storm watch here in northern locations. This will be broken down into winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories either late tonight or during the morning hours tomorrow. What I'm confident in is mainly snow from Peru over towards Muncie and then down into the Winchester area, where I have very low confidence, and again, it all has to do with where we see that changeover, and I'll show you why in just a second, along I-74 and along I-70. Then for those of you in Bloomington, Seymour, briefly some snow and then going over to mainly just rain. Here's one computer model, and this is the colder computer model, and I think it's probably not the one I'm favoring. Sorry for all the snow lovers out there in the metro area, but I do think you get a pretty good burst of snow across most of the area at the onset of the precipitation, 4 or 5 o'clock tomorrow evening, and you could pick up a quick 1 to 2 inches. This computer model keeps that rain snow line further to the south, which would result in more in the way of snow for Indianapolis. This is a second computer model, and this one surges the warm air further north. It still starts off with that potent little punch of snow as we start this storm system off Saturday evening. But then as the warmer air comes in, you see the changeover to rain. And then throughout the day on Sunday, with the exception of far northern locations, it's a pretty good batch of rain that comes through. And again, that's going to cut into the snowfall totals. So when you see what I'm posting here, 3 to 6 inches across the northern half of the state, just know that 6+ inch totals, Fort Wayne, Logansport, Monticello. As you work your way south, you come down about 3 inches in Hamilton County, and then 1 to 3 across the metro area, an inch or less. The rain will basically melt that inch of snow in Bloomington and Seymour away very, very quickly. And then as we go into the metro area, even that 1 to 3 is going to get melted away fairly quickly across the area. So stay with us here throughout the weekend. We'll continue to update this. Again, that rain snow line is going to be key Saturday night into Sunday. What's basically going to happen, though, is there is a winter storm heading our way with a lot of precipitation and a lot of wind across the area.